Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to write body paragraphs for an essay fast. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So essentially, if you want to write your body paragraphs, however many you have to write for your essay fast, this is the video for you. It's a full tutorial. I'm going to give you a few simple steps towards writing those body paragraphs fast, and then I'll give you an example of a body paragraph that I wrote in probably less than a minute. Okay, let's get into this. So these are the simple steps. There are essentially 4 steps. Number 1 is to write a topic sentence. Your topic sentence is essentially outlining what the body paragraph will be about. So you got to know what the body paragraph is going to be about first, which you should have outlined in your intro. And then once you know what it's about, you can just write your topic sentence, which outlines what it's going to be about, you know, the gist of the body paragraph. Okay. Number 2 is to expand on that topic sentence. A lot of people forget about this. You don't just have a topic sentence, you have a topic sentence and an expansion of it. Okay. Sort of like the expansion pack for the N64, just because I'm a gamer at heart and I have an N64. I just recently picked up an N64 relatively recently with an expansion pack, so it just came to mind. But you're going to expand that topic sentence. So say a bit more about the topic sentence with another, 1 or 2 additional sentences. Okay. Step number 3 is to use evidence to sort of back up and prove the topic sentence. So you want to essentially get pieces of evidence that will back up and prove the topic sentence. So by the end of that evidence, they're going to believe or potentially, hopefully agree with what you said within the topic sentence. And step number 4 is to conclude the body paragraph with a nice conclusive sentence or a couple of conclusive sentences. Okay, so I wrote down an example on the back. Now my writing is absolutely atrocious in general, and it's like illegible when I'm rushing. So I wrote this probably in about a minute to 2 minutes. I'd say 2 minutes max, and it was just on the spot. And yeah, so let's just read it. So this is my body paragraph. Now, like I said, I apologize if I can't read some things. I'm just going to kind of skip over it or make it up on the spot. So this is what I wrote. Okay. So essentially, the body paragraph that I chose, that I created, was about, drinking more water and some of the health benefits of drinking more water. So specifically, one of the benefits of drinking more water. So in addition to curbing your appetite, drinking more water can help you feel better and have more energy. That's my topic sentence right there. Your body needs water to survive and wants water to thrive. Okay, that's my expanding on the topic sentence right there. If you don't drink enough water, your body will be lacking an essential nutrient and will consequence you with a worsened feeling and less energy. So now we're talking about the sort of one of the proving points of why you need more water, because if you don't drink it, so now I'm negating it. If you don't drink it, you're going to have less energy and a worsened feeling. Okay. Now here's the proof. Health experts around the world, obviously you'd use better proof. This is just me coming up with this on the spot. It's all made up. Okay. Health experts around the world recommend at least 2 liters of water per day for adults. ... So continuing on, and that's just the bare minimum. So meaning you might need more, okay? You should strive for at least 3 liters per day if you want to experience the feeling of hydrated well-being and increased energy, okay? In addition, well, actually I was saying in addition, but it literally says in addition. So in addition, reading? No, that doesn't say that. I don't know what that says. Oh, there we go. In addition, leading, it says leading, Mike, come on, read it. It says leading. My L and my R are just kind of like the same thing. My lowercase r and my lowercase l say just a line, basically. Okay. In addition, leading an active lifestyle and sweating requires you to drink even more water to make up for that. Okay. So now we're ending off that, and now we're going to conclude it. Make the task of drinking more than enough water a daily necessity for you, and you'll feel better and have more energy than you can imagine. I added the last part of myself. I just put feel better, and have more energy than you could have ever imagined or hoped for. Okay. So that is essentially a body paragraph that I came up with in about a minute. Now, obviously you're going to have to take a bit longer because you're going to need more structured proof and evidence. I'm a full-time elementary school teacher, just so it's clear. So that, the body paragraphs to me are second nature because I always teach in the older grades, grade 6, 7, 8, around those grades, just so it's clear. So, these are things that I would talk about on a daily basis, and truly that is how to write a body paragraph for an essay fast. You can write your body paragraphs faster than ever using those 4 steps and sort of just getting yourself into the habit of churning out information like that, looking it up, converting it to your information. That's it, all within the body paragraph. And yeah, you can become a pro really, really easily. And that's it. Just in case you're wondering why I have a tattoo here, it's just a temporary tattoo. I just did some videos of the temporary tattoo. So just some tutorials with regards to using a temporary tattoo, applying it, making it last longer, removing it, blah, blah, blah. Just so you know, in case case you saw that flash around there. So just so you know. And that is truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.